Hello everyone, and welcome to our video where we'll be comparing ElevenLabs and Murf AI. In today's tech-savvy world, ElevenLabs and Murf AI are making waves in the text-to-speech (TTS) scene, offering exciting opportunities for those looking to make money online through unique voice content. Link to both is in the description, so make sure to check them out. ElevenLabs has carved its niche with a diverse range of voices that mimic real people, covering various accents and languages. This diversity is a jackpot for creators aiming to appeal to a global audience. With ongoing additions of new languages, ElevenLabs ensures it stays on top, catering to users worldwide. User-friendliness is ElevenLabs' forte. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it a hassle-free experience to integrate TTS into online ventures, such as apps and websites. Furthermore, the ability to customize voices, adjusting speed and pitch, provides content creators the flexibility to achieve the desired audio output. From a financial perspective, ElevenLabs offers plans for every pocket, including a free tier, making it an ideal choice for those starting out on their online money-making journey. Additionally, they provide extensive guides and a responsive support team, simplifying the process for users at every level. On the other hand, Murf AI adopts a different approach, focusing on empowering users to craft voices that are truly unique. Customization options are plentiful, allowing individuals to tailor voices to specific requirements, an attractive proposition for those seeking distinctiveness in their content. While Murf AI supports voices in multiple languages, it might not boast the same extensive selection as ElevenLabs. Nevertheless, its straightforward system ensures even non-tech-savvy users can easily navigate the platform. In the realm of making money online, both platforms provide subscription models. ElevenLabs caters to various needs with its range of plans, offering accessibility to a wide user base. Murf AI, following a subscription model, ensures users have access to the latest features and reliable support, an essential component for those seeking monetary gains online. In conclusion, ElevenLabs and Murf AI present exciting opportunities for online money-making through unique voice content. ElevenLabs, with its language diversity and easy setup, suits those looking for a straightforward yet powerful tool. Meanwhile, Murf AI caters to creators desiring a more personalized touch in their voices. Your choice depends on your specific needs, but rest assured, both platforms are continuously evolving, promising even more exciting features for the future of online content creation and revenue generation. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.